If you ask me, I would say that the best thing is one. That means each slide have one set of information. But if you need to put more than that, which we usually do, because many people are not comfortable with just one piece of information. And so you have one key information, and then maybe you have 3 other secondary sets of information that connect to the one information. And so that is what you want to do. You want to keep everything in 3. A set of 3, I think, is easy for people to look at and understand. But sometimes you can break the rules a little bit. You can say, okay, instead of 3, maybe I have 4, I have 5. Okay. Occasionally, I guess that's okay. But don't have every slide 10 sets of information in every slide. That is too much.